Hi Gemini, welcome to Omkara Tarot. Let's do an August read for you, concentrating only on my Gemini. So let's begin. Oops, star. Wanted to show up. Let's keep this here, beautiful card. So let's begin here. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of August. Thank you. So Gemini, thank you, all my subscribers. The channel is young but growing healthy each day. Thank you for all your love and support. And also if you're new here, do join us. We're a small Omkara family. We meet here weekly for love readings, monthlies, mid-monthlies, etc. So join us, subscribe, we welcome you. These are general collective readings, okay? Gemini will not resonate with all of you out there, so take what works for you. Leave the rest. 9 of Pentacles, single, happy, doing well. Star of your own show, it seems, Gemini. Let's see your first card. 6 of Wands, wow. Oh wow, being applauded. You are a star this month. What are you up to, Gemini? Let's see. 6 of Wands, Spirit. Why is the 6 of Wands in Libra's present position? Okay. Let's see in your past position. Judgment again, yes. And your current position, 8 of Cups. So Gemini, it seems that you wanted to be very victorious in a situation, something that you made a judgment call in the past. Okay, this was your wish, your happy space. You saw this person probably as your wish fulfillment, but you made a kind of judgment call in the past, which you are now realizing that this was wrong. The judgment call you made was not the correct judgment call. Maybe you are or were juggling, or you were going back and forth, not being able to make a decision, and now you realize that, because of this judgment call which you made, so judgment and judgment in reverse, this wrong judgment call that you made, you kind of lost this partnership maybe with the person who now you think is the person you want to be victorious with. This is your wish fulfillment. This is the person who makes you happy. And you see this person maybe, or this could be you. This person is single, happy, prosperous, and it's you're feeling you're losing control over this person. Why? Because now this person has walked away because of this wrong judgment call which was made in the past by one person. Now Gemini, this could be you, could be a cross watcher, right? This could be you walking away after somebody made a wrong judgment call on a relationship and didn't work together with you in the way that they should have. It led to so much stagnation in the relationship maybe in the past because nobody really, one or both people stopped working towards it. And this was a choice which was made actively and which was probably now being realized that one person made a wrong choice and did not have this passionate new beginning with the person they actually were meant to be, or the person who they now see as their star, as their 9 of Pentacles, the pre-empress. But now, this person has kind of walked away. So let's see, Spirit, can I have a card for the 8 of Cups, please? Who's walking away and why? Crossed by the Queen of Cups. There was a lot of love here, Gemini, whether it was you showing your love or was it this person showing you love. But because feelings were probably not revealed at the correct time. Look at this Queen with the cup. The lid of this cup is shut. She's not revealing the love that she feels in her heart. So because these feelings were not revealed, and the wrong judgment call was taken on how to move ahead, things became very unclear. There were lots of secrets maybe kept. Yes, secrets were kept because none of you, I think, were showing your emotions to each other, and somebody in all that confusion made a wrong judgment call, and somebody has walked away or is walking away this month. Anything else, Spirit? Yeah. This, I think in the month of August, Gemini, you're trying to bring some kind of balance back to this equation. You're trying to bring some kind of equilibrium back to whatever happened in the past. So the story, as I see it now, there were two people who were happy together. One person made a wrong judgment call, and one person walked away because things were not said, they were not spoken, feelings and emotions were not reciprocated or shown. Now, Gemini, you're trying to bring some kind of balance back to this equation and trying to move ahead from this troubled times that you find yourself in, and now trying to, move towards calmer waters after this ending has happened, after things have been are totally over, right? There's been too much betrayal, too much sadness which happened in this relationship, but now you are trying to now bring some clarity back, maybe trying to have clear communication with this person, and try and unveil all those mysteries which were hidden, which didn't make either of you make a solid commitment to each other. So let's see, what is it that you are holding on to? Gemini, you're still holding on to this Five of Pentacles feeling, right? Feeling abandoned, feeling left out in the cold, and Spirit is saying it's time to let that go. If you keep feeling that way, that things are never going to happen now, this was a tower moment which happened in my life, and this always happens to me. Each time maybe I find the right person, something goes wrong, and I get left out in the cold, and I get left behind, nobody loves me. Gemini, if this is the feeling that you're holding on to, Spirit says it's time this month now, first and foremost, to get over all this depressive energy that you find yourself in. Get rid of all those feelings that things are never going to work out for you. So let's see, what is it that you should let go of? Eight of Wands. That's Spirit, that's the card of communication. Stopping communication. Okay, Spirit says you should let go of this feeling that you're too nervous, or you don't know how to, or you're guarding yourself against communicating with the person that you really want. It's time now to put these barriers down and have clear communication. Look at all these wands which are like stuck here, and keeping this person stuck as well, and see how one by one this person is blowing them up in the air and sending them off as communication forward, constructive communication. Look at all these leaves growing, that's sign of growth. So Spirit is saying, let go of holding on so tight and saying, oh my God, I am not going to do it, I'm not going to talk to this person, what if, let go of all that feeling, because that's going to lead to losing the love of your life. If you're just standing there to fight another day and not communicate, you're going to lose the best thing that was ever presented to you. So let's see, what's your biggest hurdle? Being in your head. Your biggest hurdle this month, Gemini, is the self-imposed prison that you put yourself in. Even though these swords are around you, they're not in front of you. Take one step ahead, you can get out of this. Nobody's holding you down except yourself. Right? So this is going to be your biggest hurdle. Keeping yourself stuck in a position where you're blindfolded to the truth, where you feel there is no way out. But Spirit is saying there is. And if you stay too long in this position, Gemini, it's going to turn into a big hurdle where, this won't allow you to have that communication. It'll keep you in that stuck position, and it'll end up to you're not being happy in love. Stop being in this position of saying, hey, I'm happy by myself all the time. Okay, I see that here as well, the Nine of Pentacles. I'm single, I'm happy, I don't need anyone, and I want to stay stuck in my place where I don't want to look at love anymore. So if you stay in that position, Gemini, you're going to be stuck there forever. And this is sometimes also a card of greed, right? Gluttony, where you feel I don't want to share with anyone my life, my love, my emotions, and this is going to be a hurdle, Gemini, for you if you stay in this place. Let's see, Gemini, how do people see you? Or how does this person see you? They see you as the Page of Pentacles. They see you as a very, very stable character. They see you as you mean what you say mostly, but they also feel that you're no longer interested in having a reconciliation. They see that any movement that you're making towards them is very slow, very, very slow. You're not rushing towards them with happiness and joy and wanting a reconciliation, and you don't seem very happy to be happy. Yeah, exactly as I said. They see you happy in your own life. They see you as not taking any action towards having any kind of reconciliation towards them. Maybe this is a facade that you're putting on, Gemini, or this is what you've convinced yourself of, and this is the vibe you're giving to other people around you. And if that's what they're understanding, that's what they're going to reflect back to you, right? So the communication is a big problem in this month, I feel, for you. If you are not going to reveal your emotions, how are you going to move ahead, Gemini? Okay, so let's see Spirit's secret message for you. King of Wands, see? Spirit says action time. Be the king of this wand, the king of wands. Pick up that wand and take fiery, passionate action. So this is Spirit's message to you. I'm not saying anything, Gemini. But this reading just is kind of on point here. Spirit says they want you to be now the King of Wands. They want you to take action with your communication. See, Page of Wands again. Take action with this communication. Send that message, send that letter, send that text, send that email, whatever, and have clear communication with that person. And we promise you victory. We promise you that all these wands will be below you, and you will be sitting on that horse, and people will be raising the wands for you and saying, hey, Gemini, you won. You're the winner. Okay, this is Spirit's secret message to you. See how clear this is? Take action, have communication, and get victory. Right? After that, of course, Gemini, you have free will if you want to be single forever and be happy in your own space. You have total free will, but if you are only pretending to be happy and you actually have realized that you made a wrong judgment call in the past and you do see this person as your star and your happiness, you have to tell them that. Let's take an angel blessing card for you as well, Gemini. Steady progress, yes. Start sending those messages, Gemini. Okay, so one by one, keep that communication going, and it's going to lead you to victory. Start taking action, forward action. Don't just sit here. Don't just sit here in your own sweet, happy place, which is not really making you happy. Don't keep yourself stuck here. Don't keep yourself stuck here and feeling sad and unhappy all the time. Start taking steady progress in your life now. Okay, let's have one more angel blessing card for you. Gemini, I think you really need it right now. One more card, Spirit. One more card for Gemini. As a blessing for August. Play music. Yep, it's time to get a bit romantic. Okay, send them a few love songs if nothing else, Gemini. If you find it difficult to talk, maybe songs can, relay the message, what is in your heart. Start chilling out a little bit, enjoy. And make steady progress while you're at it. That's wonderful. That's all I have for you, Gemini. See you soon for your love reading, and hopefully you won't be just single and happy. You'll have communicated with your partner, and you'll be in love once again. Till then, love and light. Namaste.